Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? We will read class 7 subject SST unit number 5. Firstly, we will read short questions. First short question is, which instrument is used to measure air pressure? The instrument is used to measure the air pressure of air is called barometer. The unit of air pressure is millibar. What is tornado? Small cyclones are called tornadoes. The central part of a tornado consists of small area. It has humidity, dust and other materials. Define isobar. Lines are used to mention the air pressure on map. These areas having some air pressure are joined through lines known as isobar. What is mountain breeze? At night, temperature is low on hilltop and slopes, resulting in cold air. It becomes heavy and moves downwards towards the valley. This is known a mountain breeze. Define cyclone. Sometimes whirlpools are formed due to low air pressure. These whirlpools are known as cyclone. Our first long question is, write notes on air pressure belts. Air pressure belts throughout the year. Sun rays fall vertically on the equator while at poles these rays fall in curry position. Vertical rays warm the earth more than the curry ray do. So temperature is high at equator and low at poles. Different air belts are formed on earth. These are as follows: equatorial belts of low pressure, subtropical of high pressure, subpolar belts of low pressure, polar belts of high pressure. Our long question 2 is, how many types of wind are there? Describes them. Types of wind: there are 3 types of winds: permanent winds, seasoned winds, local winds. Permanent winds: the winds blowing from high pressure belts to low pressure belts in the same directions throughout the year are known as permanent winds. They are also known as planetary winds. Seasoned winds: winds which change their directions with seasons are called seasoned winds. Monsoon winds are the type of seasoned winds. Monsoon winds blow from sea to dry land in summer and from dry land to sea in winter. Local winds: winds specific or limited to any area are called local winds. Land breeze, sea breeze, valley breeze, mountain breeze. Define cyclone. Describe its type. Sometimes whirlpools are formed due to low pressure. These whirlpools are known as cyclones. There are 3 types of cyclones. Types of cyclones: tropical cyclones, temperate cyclones, tornadoes. Tropical cyclone. Cyclones formed on ocean are called tropical cyclones. Mostly they are formed between 0 to 15 latitude in north and south of equators. These cyclones are very powerful, therefore they cause big destructions and destroy the area on their ways of large soil. Temperate cyclone. Temperate cyclone are directed from north to south in 40 to 70 latitude. These cyclones cover vast areas. Tornadoes. Small cyclones are known as tornadoes. The central part of tornadoes consists of small area, has humidity, dust and other materials.